What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to invest in the stock market with $100. Now this is relevant for 2022, so let's get into it. Now as you can see, I'm about to invest $90 into 7 shares at a market price for Gladstone Investment Corp, or ticker symbol GAIN. Now I'm going to do a live buy on here. I went ahead and did a deposit of $100, so buying power right now is 176, and I'm going to go ahead and place the order for 7 shares, amount for 90, okay, because if I did one extra share it'd be at 103.68, and I don't want to do a limit order because I just want to get in right now at 12.96. okay, so we're going to place the order. Everything looks good, and we're going to buy for $90.72. Now as you can see here, we went from one position at $15 and some change all the way down. We averaged down to 8 positions at $13.34. Now that doesn't mean I bought at $13.34, but what we can do is look at our order details, which will be in my account settings. So I think I could do it here too. Positions, view order details. Here we go. So on April 7th, I bought 1 share at $15.97, which was my average price. On 6/14, I bought 7 shares for an average price of $12.96. So it's at $15.97, almost $16, and I brought it all the way down to $13.34. Now this strategy is a good way to average down positions when the price goes down. As you can see here, it has gone down significantly from where my trail line is. If we collapse this, you can see that it's been pretty steady between $15 and $17, or I'd say 16. It's had highs of $16 in the past, $17 in the past, and the new low of $12.47. Now the reason why I bought into the company now and want to show you how to invest $100 is 2 things. One, we're going to get appreciation from this company when it goes up back to even its corresponding trade level. Okay, so if we bought now, here I'm at $13.34, right? Say you bought in at the $13 mark, so let's go down to 13, and we were able to get it back up to even the $16.45 or even the $16 level. That's a 23% profit on this trade. So I have 8 shares at $13. I would then have 8 shares at $16. 8 times 3 would be $24-ish, 23%, right? Because technically I have about $100 invested. So if this company were to go up, say in 2 weeks to that level, then I would make around $25. Say it took a month to go up to those levels, I'd make $25 in appreciation because the stock is going up, and then I would also make money because it pays a dividend. Let me just close this real quick. It also pays a dividend. Now I pulled that information up. So Gladstone, oh sorry, adjust your eyes if you need to, going from black to white screens here. But Gladstone pays a monthly dividend. It's an 8% dividend yield per year, and they're going to pay you 81 cents a year. Now they pay every single month, and as you can see right here, their pay dates: 3/31, 4/29, 5/31, 6/30 at 6 cents a share, or 0.0675. So you're getting almost 7 cents a share a month, every single month per share. We times that by 7 shares. 7 times 7 is now 49, almost 50 cents. So you'll be making 50 cents every month, which would correlate to about $6 a year if you were to keep the positions on Gladstone. Now, in my opinion, I think that's a great way to start with $100 to invest, because one, you get to see it go up in appreciation, and you get to start instantly seeing money start being made by owning this company, because it is a REIT. They have to pay 90% of their income in dividend form to their shareholders, just like you and me. So you would instantly start to see money accumulating in your cash balance sheet. Now, Gladstone, just going over them a little bit, has a really good track record. They've been around for some time now. This is saying it's a B rating by the street, a buy, and their market cap's around 376 million. Price target's 12.65, but I've seen it go up as high as 15. Now, another reason why I think this company is going to go up even more is because recent news has showed that on June 14th, Nocturne Luxury Villas joins together with Gladstone Investment Corp, GAIN, announced that acquisition of Earth, Sea, and Sky Vacations, the leading villa rental and concierge service company in Los Cabos, Mexico. The Cabos Villas brand joins those of Exceptional Stays, Barth Properties, and West Indies Management Company, already under the Nocturne umbrella. So this is a great property. This is a great acquisition of Earth, Sea, and Sky Vacations. Here's a picture right here of one of the villas in the Cabo San Lucas area. Super beautiful. Gladstone again announced the acquisition of this company together with Nocturne Luxury Villas. So it's going to be interesting to see the news with this company to go up and beyond. It might even be able to go back up to the $17 mark that it was previously at, which would be tremendous too if you even got in at the $13 mark and it got back up to the 17, 14 and beyond. You'd be looking at a 32% profit. If it goes up higher, say in the 18s, 44, 50%, and so on in profit. So while still getting dividends every single month. The more shares you add to it, then the more dividends you'll get, which is a great opportunity for any investor. It's fun to see your average price go down and your dividend income increase. This right here alone will get me about 50 cents now a month on top of the $2 or $3 I'm already making, so that pushes it even further to dividend income. So this is one of my streams of income, guys. I love dividend investing. And if you want to see more of my streams of income, I have a video I just put out, my 7 real streams of income. So check that video out and smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe so you don't miss these next videos coming out. All right, thank you and have a good day.